Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in DevSheck. Following that, install this free app from this developer, DevSheck hardware and system info. Now open it. And thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your Oppo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!